In its 2020 release, Premiere added an auto reframe feature. This feature is best used when you've created a video for horizontal display and need to reuse it in a different format, say for social. Premiere analyzes the video and uses its AI to reframe the center of visual interest. I have found that going from horizontal to vertical or square works well, but going from vertical to horizontal or square does not work as well. A horizontal video just has more information for editing the content. Let's jump into how this works. I've already set up two sequences for us to experiment with, a vertical and a horizontal. So the horizontal is pretty straightforward. We select our sequence, then go to Sequence, Auto Reframe Sequence. Note that you do have a motion preset, so that's something to experiment with. It's more of an effect than a journalistic endeavor, but may have some uses in more promotional settings. I can choose my aspect ratio. In this case, we're going to go to a vertical and create. Premiere analyzes the video and then creates a resized sequence. So you can see we have our original here and our resized. And Premiere does a pretty good job of finding that center of visual interest and keeping that in the frame. The vertical one will be less successful. Again, we'll select our sequence, then go to Sequence, Auto Reframe, and this time we're going to choose the horizontal. You can see already that the reframing is a lot less successful. But if the video were shot differently, it might work. I think this offers some possibilities for changing sequence sizes, but it's clearly easier to move from horizontal to vertical rather than altering a vertical video. One other note, you will get a new folder in your bin that contains your auto reframe sequences. So it saves those for you into that folder, so you get to keep the original and have the reframed sequence.